Hello, we are writing a program to find the total surface area of the cylinder. First of all, we have to import the constant Pi from the mathematics module. So to do that now, I have to, from mathematics, import Pi. Then the next is the height of, to impute the height and convert it to float. Input and convert to float automatically the height of the cylinder, and next the base of the base radius of the cylinder. It has to be input also and be converted to float. After this, now we can now find the area. Cylinder has two bases. We have the area of each side to be pi multiplied by the radius, that is pi times r times r, that is okay, I've done that. Then the next one, the area of the side surface of a cylinder, which is 2 pi rh. So after that, I can now find the total surface area, that is the area of the cylinder and the area of the side surface will be added together. So the total surface will be circle plus side. So after that, I can now come down to my result, print out my result, print out the area. Let's round up the figure. Area into 2 decimal places. So that's a simple method to find the area of the total surface of a cylinder. Let's run our program to see what output it will give us. So if we enter height to be 7, our radius to be 6, the total surface area of the cylinder will give us 490.06. Thank you.